Good morning students. In today's videos, we will see the scales of measuring the temperature. Students, there are three scales of measuring the temperature. First is that Celsius scales, second is Fahrenheit scales, and third is Kelvin scale. So yesterday we discussed a little bit about the degree Celsius. So all the temperature they are expressed in the degree except Kelvin. So I told the formula how to interchange the Fahrenheit in Celsius and Celsius temperature in Fahrenheit. So students, today we will have some examples, and with the help of examples you can convert some temperature that is asked into desired scale. Students, suppose that you are given that your degree Celsius temperature is given Celsius and that is given in, suppose that it is 0 degree Celsius. 0 degree Celsius. We know that water freezes at 0 degree Celsius, and this thing we want to know that at what Fahrenheit scale water freezes. So students, we have got here one formula that degree Fahrenheit is equal to 9/5 into C plus 32. So by using this formula we can use degree Celsius temperature into Fahrenheit scale. So let us see how will you change. So here in the place of degree Celsius, here in Celsius scales we have got temperature 0 degree. So students, you can put, so here in Fahrenheit scale it will come 9/5 multiplied by, here in place of C we have put here 0 and then plus 32. So students, if any number is multiplied by 0, its value becomes 0. So here 0 plus 32. So students, it gives 32 degree Fahrenheit. It means water freezes at 32 degree Fahrenheit and water freezes at 0 degree Celsius. In Celsius scales, water freezes at 0 degree Celsius, and in Fahrenheit scale, water freezes at 32 degree Fahrenheit. Okay students, now we will see the another example. So that example we are taking, suppose that now we are taking water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. So students, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. So boiling point of water in degree Celsius is 100. Boiling point of water in Celsius scale is 100 degree. So now what will be the boiling point of water at Fahrenheit scale? Let us see students. So by using the same formula, so here degree Fahrenheit is equal to, here 9/5 you have to write, then multiplied by C and then adding 32. So this is the PAT formula for this. So this formula is there with you. Formula you have to learn. So now students, placing the value of this degree Celsius here in place of C means temperature in Celsius scale, that is given here 100, and then you have to add 32. You can write here plus 32. Sorry. After that you can cancel it, then you will get here 20. So 29 ja 180 degree and plus 32. So if you will add, then you will get 212 degree Fahrenheit. So the answer will come in Fahrenheit is 212 degree Fahrenheit. So students, water boils at what temperature? 212 degree Fahrenheit. So here it was the temperature from degree Celsius to Fahrenheit scale. So I hope that you have understood. One more example I am giving. Students, suppose that you have got the temperature in minus. Okay, one example of we are taking in minus. Suppose that in Ladakh temperature is in minus 50 degrees Celsius. Minus 50 degrees Celsius, this is very low temperature, students. Minus 50 degrees temperature is very low temperature. If you talk about the Ladakh during that Jan and this December and Jan. So now how can we change this minus 50 degrees Celsius in Fahrenheit scale? So by using this formula, students, we can calculate easily. So degree Fahrenheit is equal to, here 9 by 5 is there. Here we can write 9 by 5. So this, students, 9 by 5, it is there 9 by 5 into, now you have to write minus 50. So here we will write minus 50 here with minus sign, and here plus 32 is there. So you have to write 32 degree. Next, students, if you will cancel out, then 5 10 ja 50. So yes, students, minus 10 into 9, it will be minus 90, and here plus 32. So minus 92 plus 32, answer will come in minus only, because value of minus is more. So students, 90 minus 32, 10 minus 2, 8, and here 8 minus 3, that is 58. So in Fahrenheit scale, the temperature will be minus 58 degree Fahrenheit, minus 58 degree. Okay, students. So like this we can convert, degree Celsius to Fahrenheit scale. And now, students, if you are given in Fahrenheit scale and you want to calculate in degree Celsius, then how can you calculate? This is very important. Okay, students. So now let us see. Suppose that you are given Fahrenheit scale is a 212 degree. In Fahrenheit, in degree Fahrenheit, temperature is 212 degree, and you want to change into degree Celsius. So change into degree Celsius. So how will you change? Formula same, no problem. You can put the same formula. So here, students, formula was F is equal to, Fahrenheit degree is equal to 9 by 5, and here your centigrade was there, degree Celsius was there, and here plus 32. Okay, students. In this formula only, we can put the value of degree Fahrenheit case, whatever the value is there, and we can solve mathematically, and we will get the answer. Okay, how will you solve this? So here Fahrenheit scale is given, and the value of Fahrenheit scale is 212 degree. So here I will write 212 degree. Okay, students. So 212 degree I have written here. Here 212 degree. Okay. After that 9 upon 5, and then here C, because we don't know the value of C, we want to find the value of C, and here plus 32 is there. Now, students, by the mathematics rule, this 32 you can transpose from right side to left side. So here you will have here 9 by 5 into C is equal to 212 degree minus 32. तो स्टूडेंट्स 212 में से आपको 32 माइनस करना है. 2 minus 2 0, 11 minus 3 8, और here 180. So students, here 9 upon 5 into C is equal to 180 here. So you can write here 180 upon 1. And now in equal sign you can cut numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. So students, 9 1 ja 9 and 9 20 ja 180. So here 20 is there. So students, here we have got C upon 5 is equal to 20 upon 20 upon 5. Sorry, 20 upon 1. Now by the cross multiplication, you will have here C is equal to how much? 100. This is not 1. This is only 20 students. So C is equal to, you will get 100 degrees Celsius. So, and this thing we already know, that water boils at what temperature in Celsius scale? 100 degrees Celsius scales. And water boils at in Fahrenheit scale 212 degree Fahrenheit scale. So we have got the value. If you put the this Fahrenheit scale 212 degree, we got the value for C degree Celsius, that is 100 degrees Celsius. So this is very good question, students. And now one more problem we are doing. Okay, students. So we are doing one more problem, and that problem, suppose that you are given Fahrenheit degree, like that you are given minus you are given Fahrenheit degree is equal to minus 45. Minus 45. Fahrenheit scale, your temperature is minus 45 degree. Okay, students. And we want to get the answer in Celsius scales. So formula same, you have to write degree Fahrenheit is equal to 9 by 5 into T, then plus 32. Okay, students. Now in place of F Fahrenheit, we have to put minus 45. So here we can put minus 45 degree is equal to 9 upon minus 45 is equal to 9 upon 5, and here students C is there. This 32 we will take this side. So by getting this side, this 32 will become minus 32. So here both the sides minus 32 and minus 45. So both are the negative, students. We have to add this. So 5 to 7 and 4 3 7. So it is minus 77 degree. Minus 77 degree is equal to, okay, students, 5 to 7 4 3 7, and here it is 9 upon 5 into 3. You can do one thing. There are two methods. You can write C is equal to minus 77, and this 9 upon 5 is multiplied with C. So by this side if you take it, here it will be divided. It will get a reciprocal. So what is the reciprocal of 9 upon 5? That is 5 upon 9. 5 upon 9 is the reciprocal of a 9 upon 5. So 5 upon 9. Can you cancel it? No, we can't cancel. Then what we have to do? We have to multiply 77 into 5. Then 7 5 ja 35. 10 5 ja 35, 35, 38. So it is minus 385 divided by 9. Now students, you have to divide 385 divided by 9. Answer we will get in fraction. No problem. So 9 4 ja 36. Here remainder is 2. You take here 5. And now 9 2 ja 18. So here remainder is 7. You take here minus, and 9 8 ja 9 7 ja. So approx it is minus 42.8 degree. So approx you will get minus 42.8 degree Celsius. So here it was your Fahrenheit scale to degree Celsius. Hope that you have understood. So students, now some questions I am writing that you have to do in your notebook. आपका जो होमवर्क रहेगा, I am giving you 5 questions. That 5 questions you have to do in your fair notebook. आपको अपनी फेयर नोटबुक में करने हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आपको 5 क्वेश्चंस दिया जा रहा है दैट यू विल डू इन योर फेयर नोटबुक. So here your homework is there. So in homework, question number 1, here change into degree Celsius. Change into degree Celsius means the values you are given in Fahrenheit scale and you have to change them in degree Celsius. So here your point number A, that is 20 degree Fahrenheit. Okay students, and in B your minus 36 degree Fahrenheit. Okay students, and in C you have got 108 degree Fahrenheit. So these 3 questions you have to, here you are given in Fahrenheit scale and you have to change into Celsius scales. And now students, your question number 2 is, now this question you have to write that change into Fahrenheit scale. Change into Fahrenheit scale. आपको Fahrenheit scale में change करने हैं. Change into Fahrenheit scale. Okay students, so you can do it easily. Okay, I am giving 3 questions here. Question number 1 is 0 degree centigrade. Question number 2 is 100 degree Celsius. Question, third part of this question is 120 degree Celsius, and one more, that is fourth part, this is minus 60 degree Celsius. So students, here I have given total 3 and 4, total 7 questions I have given that you have to do in your fair notebook without fail. Okay students, so it was two scales of temperature, that degree Celsius scales and Fahrenheit scales. Okay students, and now we are moving towards the next one, that Kelvin scale. This is very most important temperature. So Kelvin scale, Kelvin, Kelvin scale. So students, Kelvin scale, actually Kelvin scale is the SI unit for temperature. This is the standard international unit for temperature. If you are asked that what is the SI unit of temperature, SI unit of measuring the temperature, ये जो टेम्परेचर की जो SI यूनिट क्या होती है, स्टैंडर्ड इंटरनेशनल यूनिट क्या होती है, तो योर आंसर इज केल्विन. तो दिस केल्विन स्केल in temperature in the whole countries of the world are accepted. Everywhere they are used as Kelvin only. In physics, while you do the numerical problem, then many times we have to convert the temperature. If it is given in degree Celsius, we have to convert into this Kelvin scale. If Fahrenheit scale is given, then also we have to change into Kelvin scales. So how can you change the degree Celsius into Kelvin scales. Okay, students. So one formula is there, students. If you want to find out the Kelvin scale, so here in Kelvin, you have to write whatever the degree Celsius temperature is there, in that you have to add plus 273, exactly 273. If you add the temperature that is given in Celsius scales, simply you have to add 273 and you will get the temperature in Kelvin. For example, students, suppose that if I say that freezing point of water is 0 degree Celsius. So here I said in Celsius scales. How will you say this same thing in the Kelvin scale? It's very simple, students. In Kelvin scale, so you have to write 0 degree because temperature is 0 degree, and simply you have to add 273 and you will get your quick answer, and that will come 273 Kelvin. 273 Kelvin. So here your answer is 273 Kelvin. So this is the temperature in a Kelvin. So many examples are there, students. We will be doing so many examples, no problem. Suppose that you are given that water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. This is in degree Celsius. How will you say in Kelvin? Very simple, students. For the getting the Kelvin scale, you have to write that whatever the degree Celsius is there, then you have to add what? 273. So here in degree Celsius temperature is here 100, and by adding simply 273. So here we will get 373 Kelvin. 373 Kelvin. So this is the Kelvin scale. And suppose that Kelvin scale is given in minus, degree Celsius in minus. If I talk that your degree Celsius, you are given temperature in degree Celsius, that is suppose that minus 32 degree. Minus 32 degree. Here Kelvin scale is in minus. Temperature in, degree Celsius is in minus 32. And you have to convert into what? This Kelvin scale. That's also easy. So here K is equal to whatever the degree Celsius is there, you have to add plus 273. So in place of degree Celsius, here simply you have to write minus 32 degree and then you have to add plus 273. So students, if you will subtract 273 minus 32 do, then 3 minus 2 1, 7 minus 3 4, and here 2. So answer is your in positive, that in plus 241 Kelvin. So students, this minus 32 degree Celsius is equal to 241 Kelvin. Students, 0 degree Celsius temperature becomes is equal to 273 Kelvin. 273 Kelvin. Students, your 100 degree Celsius temperature, 100 degree Celsius temperature, actually it is just equal to 373 Kelvin. So students, here it was from degree Celsius to Kelvin scale. It was from degree Celsius to Kelvin scale. And finally, now we will see Kelvin scale to degree scales. Temperature will be in Kelvin and you have to find out in degree Celsius. Okay, students. So next we will see, suppose that you are given temperature in Kelvin like that minus 300 Kelvin temperature is there. So temperature is given in Kelvin and that value is minus 300 and answer we want in degree Celsius. आपको डिग्री सेल्सियस में आंसर चाहिए होते हैं. So students, formula is the same. What formula we have got? We have got that here Kelvin means 1 degree Kelvin is equal to here K is equal to, you have got here whatever the degree Celsius is there, here degree Celsius is there. So students, here we will write here degree Celsius. So here I write degree Celsius and then I write plus 273. It's very easy to find this. Now here students, Kelvin scale's temperature is minus 300. So in place of this K, we can put here minus 300. So here minus 300 is equal to degree Celsius plus 273. Okay students. Now we want only C means degree Celsius, then this minus 300 degree and this 273 will be transposed to that side and here it will be minus 273. So 300 minus 300 and minus 273. So it will give you minus 573 in degree Celsius. So this is minus 573. One more question you can take students. Suppose that your Kelvin temperature is 120 degree. Okay students, 120. Kelvin is 120 and you want that in degree Celsius. What about in degree Celsius? Then same formula. So here students, K is equal to degree Celsius plus 273. Here value for this Kelvin is 120. So we can write here 120 and then here degree Celsius and plus here 273. Then students, degree Celsius is equal to 120 minus 273. तो स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे आंसर जो है वो हमारा नेगेटिव में आएगा. तो यहाँ पे जो स्टूडेंट्स 273 माइनस करेंगे 120, देन 3 मिस 0 3, 7 माइनस 2 ईयर 5 एंड 2 माइनस 1 1. तो आंसर इज minus 153 degree Celsius. So it was the conversion of the temperature from degree Celsius to Fahrenheit, from Fahrenheit to degree Celsius, and from Kelvin to degree Celsius, and from degree Celsius to Kelvin. So all types of questions we have included here, and now you have got one homework exercise. So this also you have to do in your fair notebook students, so that you can do the practice. A lot of practice may be done by you, so this is good for you.